to another video. So in this video today I'll be installing a wig, and I'll also do a small unboxing. When I always say unboxing, the patois in me. So here we go. The time is chilly, so I'm going to open this package, see what's inside. What is? Okay. So then, baby. So these are some LED lights. Oh, Jesus. And big man. Oh my God, them at home. These are big. I want them come at home. And long. This is like some sort of cool. So they're long. Okay. I guess these are the strips to keep them up. You just take out this part and take it up. And you're ready putting it on. Then I have this, I think this one to charge up. I got white lights. But never know some straight long light. I'm never carry this one. I never know it's so long. Here. Come with like a pamphlet. This is long. This is long. You didn't want it both so. But this big. Yo, I wasn't expecting this at all. I wasn't expecting this at all. So I bought, it's 4 of them, because I thought they would be about this, around this size. I was saying around this size. I never know it would be this long. Jesus, because I asked my sister to buy some for me, and they were too small. So me said, I'm going to buy a bigger one. So I choose the biggest size. Oh my God, this is so long. Now I'm going to do some DIY. Just the thing I blow away and me I get flying. Okay, so that's 4 of that. But now I wonder how I'm ever do this one. Because this might break. Can you imagine? Put it long. Go back 4. Jewelry. That is $1 to them. $1. They know. $1. Only $1. This is another earring. And the earring can't open. It moves up to your like your finger too big or so. So you can put it up to your liking. Yes. Nice. Really nice and cute. Moving on. What is this now? What is this? Oh, this is my screen protector. I got screen protector. Oh my God, I got 3. 1, 2, 3. Along with wipes and guide sticker. Wow. Cause I wanted to get a screen protector and put on a screen protector from my new phone that I bought. But here I went 2 places and they did not have the screen protector to fit my phone. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to buy it online. I hope it works. another light. I think this one is for like you put it at the back of your TV. I kind of like the concept, so I bought this, and it also comes with the charging free. And that's it. Okay, and these are some lights. When I'm doing when I'm doing my content, you guys can hear me loud and clear. So yeah, it's in a plastic. Great. Okay. Nice. Just to charge up. Oh, and it come with the little thing to put over the mic. What you call them? I don't remember what you call them, you know. It's so cute. And I got 2 of these. So if me or somebody have a knife and the thing to pin. Yes. You know the content, but you know. Where you put this on? Oh. It's not over there. Or you slide it on. You have to slide it on and then. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm excited. I like this, I like it. Oh Lord, you can't cover. Okay, cover. Okay. And then I think this one is where you put it in your phone. Yeah, I think it's something like this. Put it on the box. Ready to make content. I'm serious about my content. It doesn't really matter to me how many views I get. I'm just making content because it's what I love, and I love to edit also. I don't have a problem edit. At first, when I just started out, when I had my first channel, I never used to like edit. Every time I always be bothering my younger sister to edit for me. Just edit and put it up for me now, until one day she said, no, you stress me out. Stress me out. And if you try to edit yourself, play around with InShot, play around with CapCut. That's how I learned. And this is this sponge that I bought. Whoa, this is what made me buy this. I'm going to try it on for you guys. Just hold on. Nice. I love it. I really love it. Just little line. So in this video today, I bought a wig from Shein, and this is how it looks. It did not come with no extra stuff, no band, no wig cap, nothing like that, just the wig. The quality feels good, honestly, for a Shein wig. And it's a V-part wig. I'm wondering if I should cut this part. If I should cut it. I think so. I wonder if I cut it. this. Should I cut it? I think so. But this is how the inside is looking, all these clips, and I think these clips you open them and close them. So yeah. So all of those clips, and even on the sides and on the back for extra security they put in enough clips. Let me see how much clips in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and even for extra security, if it's not close onto your head, you have this to put it to your lighting. This elastic band thing. Let me put this up. How do I do this now? Okay, so I'm going to take it off here. So this is it. I'm going to take it from this step in because I feel like it will be stuck on my head. My head big, but it's not that big. So I'm going to put it in the I'm just going to put it over my head. My hair is already cornrowed down. I was saying I'm wearing this wig, but to me it's so long, but I like the quality. And I think I can brush it out and let the curl be less defined if I want to. So I'm just going to put this on my head right now. Let me do a center part. Oh. Okay, wow. I feel it now. You feel like you can go tighter on your head too. Wow, this is so this is how it looks. And I did try to do a center part. And this is it. I think it's good. You know, some the center part not fit me, but it don't look too good. It don't look too bad or really. But if I want to side from it, should I? No. Oh, so this is how it's looking. It's not on as how I would want it to be. But feels pretty good. It's a nice one, but I feel like, oh, this looks pretty nice. It's not my hair. The other one kind of more like on my shoulder. That's more like my hair. But this is nice. This is a nice hair. I love it. You know, it's just that when I'm wearing these wigs, I just feel like I look like a woman. I look like a woman. This is so cute. Oh my god. And it smells good. You know, sometimes I get the wig and I say, Lord, it don't smell good. Yeah, it don't smell bad. Just that behind here, I think it wants to be tightened somewhere. It still feels, it's not that secure on my head. Up here so feel, but round here so, and it have a little bulge. Let me show you guys. So I don't know, I have to know how to fix it. Okay, see, but this is how it looks. I'm gonna have to pin it because, okay. There's an extra clip. It has enough clips in there, but this is it. and I'm loving it, but this won't be the one I'm wearing home. I'll be wearing the other one because I feel more comfortable with that one, and I understand how to install it way more. I just need to get my concealer that blends in well with the lace, and I'll be good to go because it looks easy to manage. It is easier to manage to me. So thank you so much for watching. I am doing well thus far. From the 1st of December, now we are here until the 12th. I can't believe that I'm really editing and putting out the work. I know that it is not, the quality of my phone is not the best, but I'm putting out content, and even if they're not liking my videos, I see people actually going on there and viewing. So I really like that, and I thank you so much. 115 subscribers, but even if I don't go any further than that, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every one of my subscribers, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.